Hey, what's up everyone? Today in this video we are gonna talk about the upcoming Galaxy S21, S21 Ultra and also S21 Plus wallpapers. There's an upcoming phone, and like the every year Samsung brings some of the amazing stock wallpapers. Like other manufacturers, these wallpapers are mostly abstract wallpapers. They look really amazing and gives an amazing stunning look. So if you are not using any Samsung phones or any other phones but want to have these Galaxy S21 wallpapers on your phone, you can have this gives an amazing and new kind of look on your phones. So they really looks great. And not only these are all kind of like basic wallpapers, but if you want to have that Samsung amazing high level live wallpapers, you can have that. Just take a look. This is one of that Samsung Galaxy S21 live wallpapers. Here is that another one. They all looks really amazing. You can have just any apps from Play Store that allows you to use these video wallpapers as your phone background. So by doing that, you can just have this on your home screen. So if you don't know, just let me know in the comment section. I will also provide you that. And also these wallpapers I'll definitely give you as like in the description, so that you can also use these wallpapers. Just take a look, this one, how amazing it looks on my phone home screen. Just take a look. This really good and really amazing, isn't it? I really love this kind of like black and also abstract wallpapers. Also says better in a way if you are having AMOLED screen. That's really nice. So that's all about this. Thank you guys for watching. Also really I'm giving the link in the description, as you know I always do that. So that's for it. Hit the subscribe and also like button and also bell icon. I'm oheduzzamanx and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.